Do you have flat feet, knock knees, bunions starting on your feet? Do you experience pain after a long day of being on your feet or walking for long periods of time and feel like there's just nothing you can do about it? It's just a part of getting older. I have been there too and thought the same thing until I started working on my feet. Hi, my name is Katrina Rogers, and I'm the founder here at Move With Ease. Whether we're in a class or at home, we want you to have the ability to address the pain and restore health back into your feet so your body's overall well-being will improve. In this restoration kit, you will have a foam roller which will help break up any knots or tension found in the muscle fibers and or the fascia. You can also use this roller on various body parts, so it's not just for the feet. But that's where we're gonna start. You will also have a lacrosse ball that will help get into some of those deeper layers of tissue within the feet, but it will also start to create some space between your bones, usually caused by being in ill-fitted shoes or shoes that do not allow for space, particularly between your toe box and the rest of your foot. In addition, you will have toe spacers that you can wear while you're exercising, walking, while you're at work, and this serves to help restore the natural skeletal alignment in our feet and also helping the overall skeletal structure up the chain. Everybody here at Move With Ease is focused on addressing the feet first, and we want you to be one of the first people to have it for yourself or give it as a gift. So we are launching our pre-order right now. So go ahead and click that button and get one for you and maybe one for your friends and family.